About 3 months ago, I designed this piece for Gordon. I think it's like 3 or 4 months ago, around that time. 3 months. Yes, so the idea was to put this for Gordon. Looks nice. It's a prototype. Now, I do not have the time to paint this buffer. Remember the bust my buffers episode. So this is my replica, or I'm trying to do the design. So if interested, the link is in the description. I am trying to make the stripes, but for now, if you're interested, I'm adding like a two of these uh, for Gordon, just in case you lose one. Well, looks good.